Pipedrive is a good sales CRM that also comes with a mobile application. Let's learn to add leads manually in Pipedrive. This video is brought to you by Software Horsepower. This is how the lead inbox looks like. Once the user logs in, there are many sections on the left sidebar. Here, the upper section is the section where users can add the leads manually, by choosing Add Lead tab. So, once you put contact person details and other customer details, like phone number and email and save, then a lead is created. Here, we have created a test lead. On the left-hand side, one can view the customer-related information like the customer name, email, customer's phone number, name of the organization-related details. So once the customer is called, the user can put the details such as notes, and plan an activity in the activity section. In the email section, one can do a two-way sync between the email and Pipedrive. One can create email templates in Pipedrive and can insert fields. There is a proposed time called a Pipedrive meeting scheduler. This scheduler enables you to plan your meetings with the customers. Below there are a number of other options like email tracking tool and a link tracking tool. Also, one can put their signatures by clicking the signature icon and can attach files in your emails. When one sends emails through Pipedrive, the customers can be tracked easily. Pipedrive enables one to do so many activities with your customers like putting notes, planning activities, and sending emails. So once your customer shows interest in your product, one can convert that lead into a deal. By clicking over the bar Convert to Deal, your lead will be converted to a deal and it'll be moved in the deal section. Here in the deal section, one can have two views, the Kanban view of the deal, and a list view of the deal. In the Kanban view, one can do a drag and drop, and move the deals to the next stages. One can also edit the stage's name, and can add new pipelines. In Pipedrive, one can create unlimited pipelines. One can open the deal, and can do more things in the deal card such as put the expected order value, and can add the company products. One can also move their deals to the won and lost bin from the given options inside a deal. To see all other details, drag the sidebar below and view the default fields, customer details. One can also see the custom fields on the left-hand side, which you can create in Pipedrive. With Pipedrive, one can put notes, plan activities, send emails to the customers, and can put files related to the customers. The next feature is the Smart Document feature for your document management. And one can also install third-party invoicing software like QuickBooks with Pipedrive. So this is how the deals are managed in the pipeline section. The top feature one has is of the sales assistant. Whenever the user is assigned leads and deals in Pipedrive, this gets notified. The sales assistant also gets notified about the emails and link opens. Contact Software Horsepower for free demo. Visit softwarehorsepower.com.